Hey, it's Super Dragon. It's been a while since I've done this. Tonight we are going to be reacting to Darman, not Totally Studios, the actual Darman. It's going to be about a mischievous kid doing some dumb stuff. Let's just get in.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland this week. Yo, that's so cool! Wait, how would you even get your mom to go? I thought you would rock it. I just told her I would fail any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests. I am such a genius.
Ew!
Yeah, at least to wash your hands first. Look,
I hate
it's scary.
Dunkaroos.
Yo, watch out! You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Hey, morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
Uh-oh.
That doesn't sound good. Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. It's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find some way to get out of it. Oh, no, maybe that sound was easy. Yeah, didn't you do it? And missed out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way. I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Oh boy.
Here we go again. I can pretend I'm sick. You already did that like 5 times and it never works. True.
He's
Maybe
mentally
I can pretend I
sick.
broke my leg by slipping in this hallway. Whoa. Well, it's pretty hard to pretend that you broke a bone. Shay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it. Don't worry.
Hey, morning.
So when do you think you'll have it work?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Uh-oh.
Thank you so much.
That can't be good.
Today's my lucky day. Mikey, we have to tell you every single time. Running away from problems just makes them worse. Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since 1st grade. Look where it's gotten me.
Where?
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times.
Whoa!
Grounded every single summer. And what's your GPA?
Oh my god!
But I'm still the coolest kid in school.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. Alright, look, I'm running out of time. Alright, come on, Mikey. Face it.
You're doomed, brother.
At this point. Don't underestimate me, alright?
Bro, just give up!
I'll figure something out.
Do not turn these over just yet. Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use a cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep me down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High? Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
How did that get it?
Last I heard, they hadn't figured out who it was.
Yeah, typical high school.
Got what? I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
What?
That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera. He said the camera won't be working till tomorrow.
Bro!
Wait, what's going on for, Mikey? What are the tests for fingerprints? I'm pulling my shirt. That way there's nothing in this. I'm pretty sure,
This
Mikey,
guy
that
is
pulling
sick.
a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences to that if I got caught.
Bro!
Never happen.
That's reckless endangerment!
Your plans never work. Jinx. Of course they do.
Yeah! I'm pretty sure they don't.
Can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just hurry back.
Thank you.
He ain't actually gonna do it, is he?
Excuse
He probably just bluffing. Uh-oh.
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflow.
Okay. Good to know. Good to know. Bro, think about it. Don't do it. Come on, man. He wouldn't dare. Don't do it. Don't do it. He did it. Oh, man. This guy's nuts. Oh my god.
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side. Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
Hopefully.
Was it this? Wait, aren't you glad I got us out of laptop quiz? Can't believe you actually did that.
He did it.
Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught.
Not yet.
We'll see about that.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr. Wilson?
Let me guess, it was just all for nothing, I guess.
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are we going to talk about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland? Maybe you should actually go
Oh,
on that road.
God.
Just skipping tests and going to amusement parks. No, there isn't.
You pulled a fire alarm
Right.
just to go to some
Always get away
damn
from the
amusement
car.
park?
As my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them
Ugh.
worse. Well, my dad says that the one is made of cheese.
Well, your dad's an idiot
His
then.
point is to stop pulling
No
my
offense to
friends,
him.
or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, your mom might even
The moon
take
ain't
me
made
to
of
Legoland.
cheese.
You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
Bro!
Well, we're just waiting
That's-
for the fire department to finish
There's-
their rounds and make sure that
All
everybody's
this
safe.
just to go to an amusement park?
Yeah, they responded.
They're not even that good.
Well,
This is Captain Stoll.
I've done some crazy shit in my life, but I ain't never pulled a fire alarm.
so looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today.
Oh.
To gather some more info.
Ugh.
Class going right before the
Oh my god.
handed everybody some paperwork. Teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield, and then that's about all I can remember. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson. Of course. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
Busted!
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, you know, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
Oh boy.
Alright. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course. Follow me.
You too, Mikey. Me, why?
Uh
Because you said you
oh.
were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us.
You.
Okay.
Now you done did it. He done did it now.
Yes. Actually, I was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
Uh oh.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out.
He busted now.
It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
I'm gonna ditch the mask. Bro.
I mean, phew.
Luckily everyone's okay.
Yeah.
Think, what else was happening in the hallway when you were here? Let me retrace my steps. So, I
The
went-
janitor saw you.
Then I went to the bathroom.
Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey's explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's
That's
because I ran into the girls' room. You did what?
What?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
Oh, dude.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Now you're crazy.
Yes, I am.
Now you done did it.
Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Uh-oh.
Wonderful. It's right.
Police is here.
Mikey, you were saying?
What?
The LAPD's here.
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well,
It was probably.
see, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know, that all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal,
Yes.
we didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
What?
It looks like cheese dip.
Cheese dip? The cheese!
Mike, you were eating cheese in my classroom.
Oh,
See, like, my hands
case
are
closed.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt. That explains why there isn't any prints. You used your shirt to pull the alarm. Oh, Mikey.
If he hadn't rubbed the cheese on his shirt,
Don't tell my mom.
he would have likely gotten away with it.
I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah,
No, Mikey, no, I just wanted to play a game with you all.
Bingo!
a game? Are you
You did all that for nothing. Duh!
You're coming to my office right now.
No, please, I'm sorry.
Actually, I have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer.
No,
Thank you. You don't
you're
know
going
how
with the
much I-
police.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
Pulling a fire alarm is a serious crime.
You didn't know that?
That's reckless endangerment.
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you down.
You're putting people's lives in danger, man.
Sure.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be alright.
Oh, now you're getting a resisting charge.
Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Mikey, Mom! I can't explain.
Explain what?
It's in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
Yep.
Mom, please don't take away my tablet.
Oh,
And don't grab me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
you should be worried about going to juvie.
You should be worried about going to juvie.
What I said.
At the station.
Yes, ma'am.
But no.
Don't bail him out.
No. I'm not going. Let it go.
Stop resisting.
No. Jay, Derek, help. All I can say is, running from the problems
Just makes him
makes it
worse.
worse.
Oh, man.
Looks like I can't breathe.
Oh, brother.
Mom, doctor.
Just get ready to operate right away then.
Operate! Yep, I've heard some crazy stories about kids pulling fire alarms, but I wouldn't be surprised if it happened in college. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, that's enough drama for tonight. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Good night.